Hey guys, how you doing? It's Harry here again. So today we've got 2 packs of Pokemon Sword and Shield that we'll be opening. Got these for just over £2 each on eBay. I think they're completely sealed. I don't know if they've been resealed, because sometimes you get people who open the packs up, take out all the good cards and then just reseal them. But looks okay, so hopefully we got some genuine sealed packs and we'll get some good cards. So let's open up and have a look. Feels okay. Oh, save that until last. So starting off, we got Boltund, Drapion, nice looking card, Meow, changed a bit since the old days, Noctowl, Inteleon, can't pronounce that one, it's quite a nice looking card, Gengar, Zigzagoon, or Zigzagoon, yeah, we'll call it that for now, shall we? Sorry if I get these names wrong. Hoot, and what have we got here? A Stone Journer. Not too sure. Nice card though. Centering not too bad, a little bit off there. Let's have a look at the back. Yeah, slightly off as you can see, but not too bad. Quite a nice card. So that's that pack done. On to the next pack. Come on, there we go. So move that to the back. And what have we got here? Claydol, Stunfisk, Dottler, Cinderace, nice one, Raiden, Roselia, Rapidash, Sudowoodo, and what we got here? Oh, another nice card. We've got Indeedee. Centering's not too bad, a little off again. Check the back. Yeah, it's a pretty good card. So there we have it. 2 holos from this time. Yeah, so just over £2 a pack from eBay. What do you guys think? Did we do well? I think we've done okay. I do like opening up Pokemon cards, and hopefully one day I will get a Charizard. But I guess that day will yet to come. So yeah, that was this round. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. There's always more cards on the channel and plenty of other stuff to watch. And until next time, I'll see you then. Goodbye.